Passive income automates your earnings so that it requires little to no maintenance on a monthly basis for that income to continue to pour in. It's a departure from one-on-one services toward products and businesses that can operate almost automatically. That's not to say that anyone can do this. Not just anyone can earn 7 figures online. There's a mindset at play here, but nearly anyone can make a bit of money passively, while they sleep or travel or just spend time with their family or loved ones, or doing anything else for that matter. While there are likely hundreds of ways you can make wealth while you sleep, there are 5 core strategies that will get you where you want to be. So in this video, we are going to discuss 5 things that will make you wealthy while you sleep. The video is going to be amazing. Make sure to stick till the end. Now before we get into this video, make sure to hit that subscribe button and leave a comment below saying I subscribed. I will try my best to reply to as many comments as I can. Number 5. Webinars. Webinars are a great way to make money while you sleep. Not live ones, of course, but automated webinars. Automated webinars run day and night. To create one, you need something to offer. Webinars are great for high-ticket digital product sales. They also work well for selling things like coaching and consulting services. But to fully automate your income, it's best to sell a digital product. To make money from a free webinar, you offer a paid product at the end. People are able to purchase your product or offering and take what they learned to the next level. If you promote your webinar correctly, taught your attendees well, and delivered a pitch that made sense, people will buy your product live. How much can you sell items for on a webinar? Benny tells me that the sweet spot is the $997 price point, but that $1,997 works as well. Jason Fladline says that this depends on how warmed up the audience is. If they know you already and they've been warmed up to you or your offer, then you'll have an easier time selling at $1,997 and even higher, all the way up to $10,000 and beyond. On average, a webinar should last between 60 and 90 minutes. This gives the presenter enough time to cover the material thoroughly without overwhelming the audience. Of course, there are always exceptions to this rule. Some topics may require more time, while others can be covered more quickly. Number 4. Dropshipping. Earn more money by creating a professional e-commerce website. Start yours with a template. Let more people find you online. Use leading SEO and marketing tools to promote your store. E-commerce is exploding. It's not just Amazon that's taking the entire pie here. People are snatching up product offers all over the place, the best part. Most of this is being done as a dropshipping arrangement. That means that as the store owner, you never actually have to touch the products. It's warehoused, labeled, and shipped in your name. You incur none of the overhead. You simply push the order through when it arrives, pay the fee, and it's shipped. Dropshipping, when automated the right way, gives you the freedoms that you wouldn't normally experience while running a physical product store or having a brick-and-mortar location. You can build your own e-commerce store with Shopify, or you can buy products from AliExpress and sell them as an Amazon FBA store, or find another dropshipping company willing to handle the work. Number 3. Blogging. Why not start a blog? It's probably one of the most reliable sources for making money on autopilot. While creating a popular blog is arduous work, the benefits are long-lasting, along with the potential for passive income. When you run a popular blog, you can make money in a variety of ways, most of which are passive. You could sell virtually anything in your niche on autopilot. Find something that fits your blog's audience and sell it. Or, if you're really looking to reap the benefits, build content or digital products that fit the same audience and sell it directly through your own systems or sales funnels. Grow the blog over time by consistently creating valuable content that really helps your audience with a problem or fills a need. Blogging as a full-time career can also be profitable if you're lucky. And lastly, making money off your blog means getting traffic to your site and finding corporations or companies that want you to promote them or their products. Answer: Yes, there are many people who make money on a free blog. Number 2. Traditional real estate rental. While traditional real estate is more cost prohibitive to enter into than digital products, real estate rentals are always going to be a great producer of passive income. People will always need a place to live and to work. With long-term rentals, you can secure the tenant, then sit back and collect the cash every single month. There are a number of ways. You can make money in the form of income from rents for both residential and commercial properties. Companies also may pay you royalties on raw land for any discoveries, such as minerals or oil. You can also invest indirectly via real estate investment trusts, mortgage-backed securities, mortgage investment corporations, and real estate investment groups. While there might be a small amount of maintenance due to repairs, the income will largely be passive. You can make it fully passive by hiring a property manager as long as there's enough positive cash flow. You could also opt for purchasing a duplex and renting out the second unit of your home if money is tight. The most common way to make money in real estate is through appreciation. Appreciation is when a property grows in value. You might purchase a property for $400,000, and over the course of 10 years, it appreciates to a value of $500,000. Sell the property and you'll have profited $100,000. Most properties tend to appreciate, and that's why real estate is such a popular industry for investors. There's an excellent chance that your property will eventually be worth more than what you bought it for. Number 1. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing also can generate relatively passive income through commission, the ideal money-making scenario. Though initially you'll have to invest time creating traffic sources, your affiliate link can continue to deliver a steady paycheck. In the world of online marketing, affiliate marketing offers one of the fastest and most profitable forms of income with very little investment of time. Of course, you can't really become an affiliate marketer without reach or an audience to promote to. If you already have an email list, then this works great. If you don't, you could opt to do Facebook live training or use YouTube as a platform to reach people. Affiliate marketing is about delivering value. You have to find a way you can educate and inform while helping those out there with their goals or to solve a problem. If you can do that effectively, you can build multiple passive income streams as an affiliate marketer. Check out platforms like ClickBank and CJ.com to find affiliate offers you can promote. How much do affiliate marketers make? The average salary of an affiliate marketer, according to Glassdoor, is $59,060 per year. It ranges from $58,000 to $158,000, including additional pay options like cash bonus, commission, tips, or profit sharing. Affiliate marketing is the process by which an affiliate earns a commission for marketing another person's or company's products. The affiliate simply searches for a product they enjoy, then promotes that product and earns a piece of the profit from each sale they make. It can be a long-term investment. It is less risky as there are no upfront costs for advertising on your affiliate websites. You don't need extra marketing staff. You never lose money. You only pay when an advertisement succeeds. Let us know your opinion in the comment section below. This was all for today. Hope you liked the video. Subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for more interesting videos. Stay safe, and we will be back soon with another video.